Hi, I'm Jing Hao, and my submission for the Congressional App Challenge is TourHawaii. Tourism is the lifeblood of Hawaii. It contributes almost 25% of Hawaii's GDP, and since the COVID-19 pandemic, Hawaii's tourist industry has been slowly recovering, but has faced stiff competition from other locations. Hawaii is one of the most popular tourist destinations, but despite Hawaii as a popular tourist destination, a lot of tourist sites around the island use outdated audio guide devices. I got my inspiration for TourHawaii when I was touring Iolani Palace. I was handed an old brick that had very quiet speakers that barely worked, and I thought to myself, why can't this just be an app on my phone? And Iolani Palace isn't the only location. I've been to plenty of museums across the world, and they all use similar outdated audio guide devices. These outdated audio guide devices are expensive to operate and maintain, costing the nonprofit operators of these tourist attractions thousands of dollars per year. They are difficult to use and lack common accessibility settings. They also may get lost or damaged as a result of their use, and generally they have terrible build quality and are designed to be single-purpose devices that generate e-waste when they are eventually broken. Since tourists will have phones in their pockets that they already rely on for navigation, Tour Hawaii is the perfect app for them to use while navigating around the island. By making a mobile app with all of the functionality of these audio guide devices and with more, tourist sites can save thousands of dollars by not having these devices and become more accessible to people that don't speak English. The core functionality of Tour Hawaii is recommend tourist locations they can visit, benefiting both local tourist sites and tourists so they can find each other. Have a list of specific locations within the broader attractions so they can get a detailed audio guide on, saving these sites money from having to operate and maintain audio guide devices, and translate text from English to a language of the user's choosing with AI, becoming more accessible to people from all over the world. This is the home screen of Tour Hawaii. As you can see, there are some locations that are supported already. And let's say I want to go to Pearl Harbor. I can click on Pearl Harbor here and I would be teleported to the map where it is located. And let's say I want to go to room 1C, which is the Pearl Harbor Aviation Museum. And I could click this and I will be zoomed in on that. And if I want to get a guided audio tour, I would click play and I would get the audio tour.
Located in historic hangars that survived the 1941 attack, the Pearl Harbor Aviation Museum showcases aircraft and exhibits spanning from World War II to the modern era. You'll find jet-powered fighter planes, bombers, and even a restored Japanese Zero, like the very kind used in the attack on Pearl Harbor. It's a living artifact of the day that changed history.
And that was it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it.